So my project is for an innovator called Mr. Hiren Panchal. So he owns the company Mittidhan and he makes tools for affordable tools for farmers. So he wanted me to work on the packaging of the urban toolkit that he made. So earlier the tools were very mangled and unmanaged. So they used to collide together and they used to lose the quality, as well as they used to damage the packaging as well. And for my solution, I have separated the tools and given each of the tools a separate slot to sit in, so they don't move. And I've given them proper space to stay in their place, and they don't collide with each other and don't lose their quality. And it looks much more presentable than the earlier packaging. So that is my project.